Hello everyone. In the rolling hills of Turkey's Bolu province, a surreal sight awaits. Burj Al Babas, a luxury housing development, was meant to be a fairy tale come true for the wealthy. Instead, it stands as a haunting reminder of failed dreams and financial ruin. Conceived in 2014, Burj Al Babas was the brainchild of the Sorel Group, a Turkish construction company. The ambitious project aimed to create a luxurious holiday retreat, complete with 732 miniature toe-style villas, each worth around $500,000. The development was marketed as a haven for the rich, with promises of opulence, privacy, and breathtaking views of the surrounding countryside. The villas, designed to resemble French Renaissance castles, were intended to transport owners to a world of luxury and exclusivity. Each house boasted 5 bedrooms, a private pool, and ornate details like turrets and grand entranceways. The development was to be completed by 2019, with prices ranging from $400,000 to $1 million per villa. However, the project's grandeur was short-lived. In 2019, the Sorel Group filed for bankruptcy, citing debts of over $5 million. The construction site was abandoned, leaving behind a ghost town of nearly identical, partially built villas. The once promising Burj Al Babas was left to decay, a testament to the fleeting nature of wealth and ambition. Today, the site is a popular destination for urban explorers and curiosity seekers. Visitors wander through the eerie, abandoned streets, marveling at the surreal landscape of identical toe. The villas, once intended for the elite, now stand as a haunting reminder of the project's failed promises. Burj Al Babas serves as a cautionary tale about the dangers of unchecked ambition and the fleeting nature of wealth. The abandoned development is a poignant reminder that even the most grandiose projects can fall victim to financial ruin and neglect. As the wind whispers through the empty streets, the fairy tale castles of Burj Al Babas stand as a haunting monument to the transience of luxury and the power of economic forces. The abandoned development remains a fascinating, if not surreal, destination for those drawn to the beauty and tragedy of failed dreams. That's all for now. See you in next video. Goodbye.